Hey my dear listeners, here I am with the last topic of communication skills, that is speaking skills. These skills are more in action than listening, reading and writing. Because speaking skill has the capacity to be as sharp as knife and also as soft and smooth as butter. Hence, no matter what and how are we, effective speaking skills are advantageous for all of us. Well, this topic is really very dense and could not get covered in just couple of minutes. Hence, I've tried to summarize the noteworthy points in a general way, and I hope that you'll find it worthwhile in every possible manner. Dr. Albert Mehrabian, a great psychology professor, had researched that the impact of spoken language to the listener is in three different ways. हम जब बात करते हैं तो सुनने वाले को जो हम बोलते हैं उसका इम्पैक्ट तीन अलग तरीके से होता है. हमारे वर्ड्स का इम्पैक्ट होता है 7%, हमारे वॉइस टोन का इम्पैक्ट होता है 38% और हमारे बॉडी लैंग्वेज का इम्पैक्ट होता है 55%. दिस मीन्स दैट जब हम बात करते हैं तो हमारे वर्ड्स इतने ज़्यादा नज़र में नहीं आते जितना वॉइस टोन एंड बॉडी लैंग्वेज नज़र में आता है. लाइक वी हैव फ्यू पीपल अराउंड अस जिनका अपीयरेंस और जिनके वर्ड्स काफ़ी सिंपल रहते हैं, बट देन द वॉइस टोन एंड बॉडी लैंग्वेज दे कैरी इज रियली अमेजिंग. On the other side, we also have few people who sound very intelligent and logical, but then voice tone and body language is less approachable, and we hesitate in approaching them. Hence, my dear listeners, effective speaking skill includes a right combination of words and gestures. So this was theoretical example. Let's have a practical example as well. During presentations, students present in such a way, like I'll give you an example. It's like, hi, I'm Riddhi Kunjwani. I am a student of ABC class and today my topic is communication skills. So let's get started. This sounds really monotonous and robotic. My dear students, this is not accepted these days. We need to be more presentable. So it should be rather like, hello, my name is Riddhi Kunjwani and I'm a proud student of ABC class. Today I'm going to present on a topic that is next important to breathing, and it's communicating. So please allow me to start my presentation, or please allow me to begin my presentation in a creative way. So what did we learn in these two different kind of speeches? That number one, we should have enough pauses between words or sentences, because pauses, right amount of pauses makes the speech sound comprehensive. मतलब जब हमारे वर्ड्स और सेंटेंसेस के बीच में सही अमाउंट में पॉज होता है, हम रुक के बात करते हैं, सो दिस गिव्स द टाइम टू द लिसनर टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर वी सेइंग, टू फील व्हाट आर वी सेइंग. सेकेंड इज एम्फसाइजेशन ऑन द वर्ड्स. दिस मेक्स द स्पीच साउंड मोर प्लीजेंट. एम्फसाइजेशन मीन्स जब कोई ऐसा इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड हमें लगता है जिसको हम थोड़ा हाई पिच से बोलते हैं, सो ये लिसनर को भी एक सिग्नल मिल जाता है दैट दिस वर्ड इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ही अंडरस्टैंड एंड फील्स दैट वर्ड. Third, very important, a subtle smile on the face really makes our speech valuable. So this is the importance of voice tone and body language in our speech. Not just the students, we all must learn this art of effective speaking, because we should be very conscious of our choice of words and voice tone. So my dear listeners, here I wish to conclude my video with a small message that it's always better to clear and communicate than to be quiet and confused. Because जब हमारा communication clear होगा, और हमारा communication तब clear होगा जब उस पर voice tone और body language का बराबर impact होगा. So our clear communication indicates our confidence and it makes the listener feel what are we saying, to understand what are we saying. Thank you so much for watching. Do share this video. And students, if you wish to have an advanced training on communication skills, you may contact me on my email ID. Bye-bye.